Final closure at Petersfield Station Level Crossing. Down we go. Come on then. Go down. Thank you. Did you hear that motor that made? I can just about hear your alarm on from this side. It's quite quiet. It's very quiet actually, this one's loud. This is for the 450 020 to Portsmouth Harbour. No, sorry. Yeah, the 450 020 and the 450 032 to Portsmouth Harbour from London Waterloo to Portsmouth Harbour. Oh, you're way up there, Christopher. Hi. Are you filming it from the bridge? Or are you coming down? Alright. I don't know why these gates go down so slow at this level crossing. Okay. Is this for the 12 o'clock?
It is not for the 12 o'clock, it is for the 27 minutes.
What time's the trains coming here?
The train is shortly arriving now.
Well, what time? No, what time's the train pulling into the station? Because it says expect to arrive at, then you know a time. Why can't you just take these off? And here comes the 450 020 into Petersfield Station.
It should have arrived at 11:22.
So this train's delayed?
This train is massively delayed, yeah.
Up here it comes. 450 020. (450-032) to Portsmouth Harbour. Portsmouth Harbour. Is there a northbound? Is there a northbound?
Southbound. But there's not a northbound. It's because we can walk.
Oh yeah, and up we go. And lights just turned out, and
Up we go. Bye bye.
see you in the next video. Bye.